So I am going to see if I can speak in tongues for you. This is apparently Enochian, and apparently when Enoch was taken to heaven, he aided in creating part of the language, the heavenly language, and that's what I've been told I'm speaking. So let's see if he allows anything to come out of my mouth. That's not it. Sukitikato, no sikitikut, sikutikitikutak, no sikitikuta, ta sitikutikutak, ni sikitikitoka tihahatut, tu sikudak, no hatitikutuk, esikitukutak. Sukatitik, sikitikut, no sitikut, ha ha sikutot, ni sikutukot, ni sikitikut. All right, so that was a little taste. I do not believe I was saying anything too specific. What the translations that were going on in my head were kind of generic. Just like if you ask somebody in another language to say, oh, how do you say, let's go to the store? And then it was kind of like that. But anyway, that's what the tongues I speak in sounds like. I do believe that there are different kinds of tongues, but he tells me that's the one they speak in heaven.